Hello, my name is Siddhant Sachin Nikam, and today I am going to talk about the clinical trials. And clinical trial is the subject that I am explaining, and my topic is CDM and CRA. The clinical trials are the research and studies that evaluate the safety, efficacy, and the potential of the drug. Also, they study the side effects of the drug, treatments, and the medical procedures in the humans. They are very crucial part of the drug development in the regulatory approval before the treatment can be widely used. Means the when the drug is in the development process, the clinical trials watch out the drug to see any ADRs and any ADEs. Phases of the clinical trials are there are four phases of the clinical trials. Phase 1, safety and dosage in the human pharmacology. Objectives of the this phase is determine the safety, tolerability and the appropriate dosage of the new drug. Participants that are involved in this process, there are only 20 to 100 healthy volunteers or the patients for various diseases like cancer also and other diseases. The key focus is how the drug is absorbed, metabolized and excreted. These are called the pharmacokinetics. The side effects are different. Side effects at the different dosage forms. Duration of this is the few months. Success rate it's about 70% if the drug is very well studied. Phase 2 and phase 2 efficacy and side effect therapeutic exploratory. The objective of this phase is assess the drug's effectiveness and the specific conditions and identify the side effects. uh, Participants are in this phase are more than 100 are and less than 300 patients with the disease conditions, normal diseases not cancer, always. The key focus is compare the drug to the placebo or existing treatment, further evaluate the safety and side effects of the drug. Duration is several months or the 2 years. Success rates is around 33% to 50% in the phase 3. Conformity and the comparison of the therapeutic confirmation is the phase 3. Objective confirm and efficacy, monitor side effects and compare the drug with the standard treatment. The participant are in this phase are more than 1000 and less than 3000 patient across the multiple locations to see any area ADR like the specific area, people from the specific area as any suffering from any ADR. Large scale testing to ensure the reliability and randomized double blind trials to eliminate the bias. Duration is 1 to 4 years and success rate is about 25 to 30% in the drug to move to the next phase. Outcome is the if successful the drug submitted for the regulatory approval. For example, there are FDA, DGCI, DCGI and EMA. Phase 4, the last phase, is also the post marketing surveillance. Objective of this phase is monitoring long-term effect and safety after the drug is approved and marketed. Marketed means the drug is involved in the real world scenario. The participants are the thousands and millions of people. Key focus of this phase is detect rare long-term side effects of the drug and evaluate real world effectiveness. Duration of this is ongoing, means until the drug ends or is manufacturing stops, the effect can go on. Types of clinical trials are international trials, testing new treatment drug or procedures. Observational trials monitoring patient outcome without interventions. The prevention trials are the solving methods to prevent diseases. Screening trials are evaluating the new ways to detect diseases, and quality of the life trials are improving comfort and care of the patient. These are the 5 types of clinical trials. The regulatory bodies involved in the clinical trials are DCGI, Drug Control General of India, and also the CDSCO, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, is also used. US FDA, FDA is Food Drug Administration of the USA. EMA, Europe Medical Agency, Europe has the EMA, and WHO, the World Health Organization, also involved in this. Ethical consideration of this is informed consent. The patient must voluntarily agree for after the understanding the risk of the drug. Means if you are giving any drug to volunteer, he has to agree by himself. Ethical community approval ensures safety and compliance with the regulations and good clinical practices GCP, international ethics and safety quality standard. This is the information about the clinical trials. Thank you.